Millard Engineering, NMDC, RBL Bank, Orient Cement, city gas distribution companies like Mahanagar Gas, IGL, Adani Total Gas, and Gujarat Gas, and lastly, Tube Investments are in focus. Here's what the dealers are indicating for these companies. Firstly, when it comes to Lord Engineering, dealers are indicating that there are strong buy flows on large HNI desks. Nearly 6 crore shares have traded in the last couple of sessions. The delivery volumes are expected to be on the higher side. So keep an eye out for Lord Engineering. When it comes to NMDC, there is high sell flows on the HNI desk as per dealers. Now they are expecting a price cut announcement to come in soon from NMDC. For RBL Bank, dealers are indicating that there are buy flows on FI desk. Dealers expect some positive broking note to come in soon on RBL Bank. When it comes to Orient Cement, dealers are indicating that large HNIs have started to accumulate this counter. Now, the stock has massively underperformed of late, and they're also expecting the South-based cement companies to perform financially much better, and hence they are betting in on Orient Cement. Now, when it comes to city gas distribution companies like IGL, MGL, Adani Total Gas, and Gujarat Gas, all of them are buzzing in trade. Dealers are indicating that it's a bet that investors are taking on falling LNG prices. Now, if you look at China's LNG import, it has come down on a YY basis, which could lead to oversupply and fall in LNG prices. Hence, the bet on the city gas distribution companies. And lastly, when it comes to Tube Investments, dealers are indicating that there are buy flows on institutional desks. Both foreign and domestic institutions have been buying this counter for the last couple of sessions.